In this class, we are going to see about ADC, analog to digital converter. In analog to digital converter, we are going to see about flash type ADC, flash type ADC also called parallel comparator ADC, and also called simultaneous ADC. Simultaneous ADC. This is simplest possible ADC. So this is simplest possible ADC. It is fastest but most expensive technique. So most expensive in the sense it is a complicated hardware circuit. So for n bits ADC, we are using 2 power n minus 1 op-amp comparator circuit. So for n bits, we are using 2 power n minus 1 op-amp comparator circuit. Minimum of 2n resistors, and we are using a priority encoder, circuit. So which makes flash type ADC is complicated one. So for n bits, we are using 2 power n minus 1 op-amp comparator. Say for example, consider op-amp comparator. I am giving analog signal VA, input voltage is VA, and reference voltage is VR. I am taking output X and voltage input and logic output X. We know that if VA greater than VR means, so VA greater than VR means plus input is high means it goes to positive saturation. So positive saturation as we are denoted as logical 1. So logical 1. And if VA less than VR, input voltage is less than VR, so VR high means X goes to minus V saturation. So we are taking logic output as 0. If VR is high means it corresponds to logical 0. And if VA is equal to VR, input voltage is equal to reference voltage means it holds previous state. So it holds previous state. So let me see the circuit diagram of 3-bit flash type ADC. So 3-bit flash type ADC. Here analog to digital converter, we are giving analog input voltage and we are getting equivalent digital output. So for 3 bits we need 2 power 3 minus 1 comparator circuit. So 2 power 3 minus 1 means we have 7 comparators are required. 7 comparators are required. So I am drawing 7 op-amp comparator circuit. In non-inverting terminal, we are giving analog input voltage VA. And inverting terminal, we are giving reference voltage through a voltage divider network. So in inverting terminal, we are giving reference voltage through a voltage divider network. So reference voltage, here we are giving reference voltage through a voltage divider network. And it is grounded. So we are having 7 comparator circuit. So output of comparator circuit is given to the priority encoder. So here we have 7 inputs. So we are using 8 line to 3 line priority encoder. So here we are using 8 line to 3 line priority encoder. We are having only 7 inputs. This is I am taking C7, C6, C5, C4, C3, C2, C1, and we are assuming C0 as don't care condition. In 8 input, C7, C6, C5, C4, C3, C2, C1, and your C0 is don't care condition. And your output is Y2, 3 output Y2, Y1, Y0. This is MSP and this is LSP. So this is circuit diagram of 3-bit flash type ADC. 3-bit flash type ADC. So let me see the operation. Here we are giving reference voltage VR. So at this point we are giving apply voltage division rule. We are having VR into So here you have resistance, same branch resistance R divided by total resistance will be R 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 are, so this voltage is VR by 8. So this voltage is VR by 8. Next, this point you have same branch resistance 2R divided by total resistance 8R. So you will have 2 VR by 8. So similarly here also apply voltage division rule. So if you are applying voltage division rule, this point means you are having 3 resistance. So total resistance VR into same branch resistance is 3R divided by total resistance. If you are adding this resistance, you will get 8R. So you will get 3 VR by 8. This point you have 3 VR by 8. This point similarly we have 4 VR by 8. This point you have 5 VR by 8. This point 6 VR by 8. And this point you have 7 VR by 8. If VA less than VR by 8 means, if VA less than VR by 8 means, VR by 8 means you will have your output C7, C6, C5, C4, C3, C2, C1, C0, all values are 0. So yeah, analog input is less than VR by 8 means you have negative terminals. Inverting terminal have higher input voltage, so your output goes to logical 0. If inverting terminal voltage is high means output corresponds to logical 0, so this goes to 0. If VR by 8 less than VA less than 2 VR by 8 means that's C7, C6, C5, C4, C3, C2, C1. So VA range in between this VR by 8 to 2 VR by 8, which means in this op-amp only input voltage high. Input voltage high means non-inverting terminal becomes high value, so your output goes to 1. This C1 alone 1. So you have C1 alone 1. Similarly, if VA in between 2 VR by 8 to 3 VR by 8 means you will get 3 in between this voltage means you have this 2 op-amps non-inverting terminal voltage is high, so for this 2 op-amp non-inverting terminal voltage is high, so C1 1 and C2 1. So C7, C6, C5, C4, C3, C2, C1 0 0 0 0 0. Here also you have 1 and 1. Similarly, if voltage input voltage increases, so corresponding comparator output will be high. So let me see the truth table for this. So in C0 we are assuming don't care to all voltages. this is don't care value. If VA less than VR by 8 means we get C1 alone 1, remaining value 0. Similarly, if VA in between VR by 8 to 2 VR by 8 means we have two comparators output are high. So C1, C2 will become 1, remaining value 0. Sorry, if VA less than VR by 8 means all values are 0. If VR by 8 less than VA less than 2 VR by 8 means we have C1 is 1. Similarly, if 2 VR by 8 to 3 VR by 8 means both values are C2, C1 are 1, remaining value is 0. Similarly, you can fill up a remaining table. So if comparator input is 0, 0, 0 means a digital output also 0, 0, 0. If comparator input C1 1 means you will get 0, 0, 1. Similarly, if this value means you will get 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So if your analog voltage in between 2 VR by 8 to 3 VR by 8 means your digital output will be 0, 1, 0. Similarly, if your analog input in between 6 VR by 8 to 7 VR by 8 means you will get digital output 1, 1, 0. So this is most simplest analog to digital converter, but most expensive technique, since we are using 2 power n minus 1 comparator circuit, then we are using resistive divider network, then we are using priority encoder circuit also.